Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to find the help and support section on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my garden, and new if you want to find the help and support section, the frequently asked questions and the others, click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the settings section you can find the second button, the help and support, under the change name. Click that, and in this site you can find different items, for example troubleshooting, teams, friends and lives and others, and here you can find different questions and topics and answers, and you can check. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.